am selling the #1 product in the world, which is called teaching people how to make more money online. If you are interested in making more money online, keep watching this video, because I'm going to show you 3 simple steps you can start today and start making money tomorrow. And at the end, I'll even give you a special free bonus. It's a link where you can download my online course, which teaches you exactly how to start making money selling the #1 product online, which is my product, teaching people how to make money online in the new year. Let's go. Okay, so step 1, you need a product to sell. If you don't have a product, I have the product. You sell my product and I will pay you a 50% commission. That's how it works, guys. So number 1, you have to start promoting a product. I have the #1 product in the world, which is online education, teaching people how to do affiliate marketing, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy real estate. Did you know you can buy real estate right online now? You don't even have to go in person because of the COVID-19 virus. So number 1, you need a product. If you have a product, I'll show you how to sell more of it all over the world in 26 countries, just like Amazon. If you don't have a product, sell my product in 26 countries. And believe me, I'm doing it in more. I'm selling my services in the countries of Singapore, England, Europe, Scotland, Ireland, US, Canada, even in Latino America. I've got 16 Spanish countries that are taking my courses because we convert it into Spanish, and then you can start making a lot of money. Like that guy. So the second thing you need to do is start promoting and running ads and marketing, telling people you have this amazing product, which again is the #1 product in the world, teaching people how to make more money online and in any business, which I have the product. So you can sell your product or my product, like I said, but you have to learn how to post ads. So you have to have all of your social media accounts set up. YouTube, you need a YouTube channel. Facebook isn't even that popular anymore, but people are still using it. You have over 1 billion people on it. Instagram is very popular. You can post one ad in one day and get 100 leads, right? And then you talk to those people and say, hey, I've got the #1 product. If you're interested, click on the link, go buy it, or I'll get you on a live call and I'll show you how to do it. So that's how we do it, guys. We use social media. Twitter, LinkedIn, everything works. Everybody's on social media. You're on social media. You're listening and watching this video on social media, either YouTube or Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn or Twitter. I post this all over the place. Maybe you're clicked on a link in my email and you're watching this video. So the second thing is you have to become a master at posting, marketing and promoting and ads. You have to post every day. I know a guy that posts over 100 times a day because he doesn't really spend any money on marketing, and he gets hundreds of leads coming in. He's one of my clients. So you have to learn how to post every day. Okay, guys, so the third thing you need to do, I'm just kind of walking here in a shopping mall in Mexico on the Caribbean for the new year. It is Wednesday, January 13th, so listen to me very carefully. If you personally have not made a minimum of $10,000 already this year, in the new year, by January 13th, 2021, you need to do something different. And the third thing you need to do is you have to learn how to sell people. You have to learn how to convince people and negotiate with people to buy your product. Now, everybody wants to make money online. We understand that. But the problem is, to make the big money, you have to talk to people. People have to actually take money out of their pocket and they have to put it into your pocket. They have to send it to you. That's the truth, guys. I made all my money in sales. I've been selling stuff since the age of 5. In fact, when I was born, I tried to sell the doctor the Brooklyn Bridge. He said, your son's a salesman. And my wife said at the time, she said, how do you know? He goes, he just tried to sell me something. He's a born salesman. So I've been selling stuff since the time I was born. But you have to learn how to sell. The richest people in the world are salespeople. They are masters at convincing and persuading people to put trust into them and buy their product or service. That's the #1 way to make money, is talking to people, building a relationship with them, and then offering them something that is going to help them change their life. Let me say that again. The only way you will make a lot of money in the new year, and the only way you're going to get rich and wealthy, is to help people become rich and wealthy. That is the #1 way for the new year. And how do we do it? We're doing it right online on social media. Everybody's on social media. Everybody's on YouTube. YouTube is #1. Google owns YouTube. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, you're missing out on millions of dollars. If you're not posting ads on Facebook, Instagram, and the new one is TikTok. TikTok is most popular, right? These are the things that you need to do to make more money. You have to put your product in front of millions of people and then make them an offer to change their life. That's it. And how do you change somebody's life? Well, you either help them make more money or you help them become happy. And how do you become happy? Making more money. Make sense? So if that makes sense to you guys, comment below. I'd love to help you, and I can put you in business in one day selling my product, and I will pay you. Okay, so here's how this works. I have a $1 product, and what I do is I offer that $1 product to people, and when you sell my $1 product online, I pay you a 90% commission. I pay you 90 cents. The next product is $10, okay? When you sell that product, I pay you 90%, $9. I don't make any money on it. The third product is $100, okay? You make 90% on that product. You make $90, I only make $10. Now the next product is $500, okay? You only make 50% on that, which is still 50 bucks. The next product is $250. You make 50%, $125. The next product is $1,000. You make 50%, you make $500. The next product is $2,500. You make 50%, that's $1,250. The next product is $5,000. You still make 50%, $2,500. Now the next product is $7,500. You only make 30% on that. That's when the percentage drops because it's more expensive, right? And it costs me more money to fulfill that product or service. So you make 30% of $7,500, which is still a lot of money, guys. It's like $2,200. You're making $2,200. The next product, okay, is $12,000. You make 30% on that. That's a lot of money. That's $3,600. And all you have to do is learn how to post ads. Now, I have products that go all the way up to $100,000. Heck, I sell real estate for millions of dollars. So the point is, I have the products. I have to teach you how to become a marketing machine. You need to learn how to do one thing, and that's called driving traffic. And that's what I'm going to talk about. Okay, so the number one way to make money in the new year or any year going forward, 2021, guys, it's January 13th. If you have not made a minimum of $10,000, listen to me, you have to learn how to become an expert at driving traffic to buy a product and you get paid. Number one, drive traffic. Number two, people buy a product. Number three, you get paid. It's 3 simple steps. Let me say it one more time. Drive traffic to a product, get paid. If you learn how to master these 3 things, you can sit on your ass at home or on the beach and you can make thousands of dollars a day. Are you ready? Are you interested? Really? Let's see how serious you are. Make a comment, send me your name, send me your mobile number, send me your email. I will contact you directly and I will put you in business in one day. Are you serious? So all these people that you see on the internet, on YouTube. I know you're watching videos every day, you're looking at stuff, but you're not doing anything because you're either scared, you're not confident, or you don't have the tools, or you don't have a system. The number one system right now I copied Amazon, the richest company in the world, is posting ads, driving traffic to buy a product and getting paid. That's it. Driving traffic, buy a product and getting paid. I have the product. I'll give it to you for free. You just have to learn how to drive traffic. So here's how we train people. I have about 20 to 25 internet online coaches. They all make money online. And what we do is we get you on a live call and we show you how to drive traffic. It takes a couple of hours. Then we give you links to the products, then you promote the products. People click on the links, we track your links, and then we pay you a commission. It's called affiliate marketing for professionals. That's what it's called. We call it affiliate marketing professionals, AMP, affiliate marketing for professionals, okay? It's the number one, I'm telling you guys, you gotta listen to me, believe me, it's the number one system online to make money today, affiliate marketing, okay? So number one, we get you on a call. Number two, I train you and show you how to post ads. And number three, I show you how to get paid. The biggest thing I teach you how to do is to get people on a live call, and then we promote our higher end products. Coaching, mentoring, live trainings. Right now we're doing them all virtually online with Zoom and Skype, okay? So just the other day, this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I had 19 people on a live training call. I put all of them in business, and these guys are starting to make money right now. From Saturday and Sunday. Today's Wednesday. So give me 2 or 3 days. I'll put you in business. All you have to do is learn how to post my ads and sell my products. And you don't even have to sell them. All you have to do is post the ads. Drive traffic to the products. and then you get paid. And let me give you an example of how. So yeah, what we do is we start people off with basic stuff. We still got to wear a mask in the store here. But I'm in a major supermarket right now, Walmart, and guys, basic stuff that people need every day. They need water, they need food, they need drinks, they need clothing. Basic stuff you can make money on, and that's what you need to get started with. You know, the number one way that people are making all this money on the internet is selling basic necessities of life. Now, what I do, if that makes sense, so I get you in business doing affiliate marketing with Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Mercedes-Benz, everybody's into affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels. There's major products out there. Calvin Klein, Polo, Ralph Lauren, everybody's doing affiliate marketing. You can make money with all these companies. They will pay you a commission to sell their stuff online. We're even selling coffee mugs on Amazon. We're selling thousands of coffee mugs every month, and we're making a 5% commission on a coffee mug. Somebody pays $20 for a coffee mug, right? Or like some people are buying coffee mugs for $100. 5%. It doesn't matter. Everything adds up. If you make $1 per sale and you sell 100 a day, that's an extra $100 a day. That's an extra $3,000 a month. Selling coffee mugs, guys. Guys, you can do affiliate marketing with my friend Johnny Walker here. Johnny Walker. Now they got the wrong thing here. Look, they got rum, Captain Morgan rum with Johnny Walker. That's how stupid they are here. But anyway, you can sell Johnny Walker whiskey online. They will pay you a 20% commission. You sell one bottle, okay, for $100. You're making 20 bucks. What if you sell 100 a day? That's $2,000 a day selling liquor. What is the most popular thing in the world that people do when they're happy or sad? Drink liquor. Liquor, hardly newer. Now we're even selling cannabis. We are selling cannabis online. People are ordering cannabis products, pipes, and the cigarettes and the paraphernalia. They're ordering the cannabis oil online. Come on, guys. If you're not doing stuff like this, you're out of your mind. You're going to lose millions of dollars just in 2021. So you have to get into affiliate marketing. That's what I do, and this is how I put you. So what I do is I offer two things. Listen, I put people in a group training, 10, 15, 20, 25 people at a time. We max it out at 25 per day. So we get 25 people on a live Zoom or Skype group meeting call. And what we do is we spend about 7 or 8 hours with you in one day, and we set up your whole affiliate marketing program, selling the products we sell and also selling my product, which I will pay you, I told you, 20 to 90% commissions. So I give you two businesses in one day, and you start making money literally the next day. That's what I want to help you do. Okay, the second thing we do is we set up all of your social media accounts. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube. We give you a YouTube channel. We set up your TikTok channel. TikTok is #1 right now, guys. If you're not making money with TikTok, you need to watch my TikTok videos. I'm going to be making more TikTok videos every day. And we set up all your accounts. And then number 3, the most important piece is, so after we set up all your accounts, check out the fresh beef here, guys. This is an amazing store. They got everything here to eat, and it's cheap. The third thing we show you how to, and you can sell beef online. Third thing is we give you our ads. I show you how to post the ads to drive the traffic to buy the products, and then you start making money. You want this. You want 100 people every day sending you $16. That's what you want. That's $1,600 a day. That's $16,000 every 10 days. That's $32,000 every 20 days. And guys, the sky's the limit. What if I just show you how to make an extra $1 per person, and you get 100 people to send you $1 a day? That's an extra $100 a day, guys. If you don't do that, you're absolutely out of your mind. At least let me show you how to do that. So here's how you make money, guys. There's a tunnel that goes from New Jersey over to New York. It's called the Lincoln Tunnel. It's the most popular, famous, busiest tunnel in the world. They charge $16 for one car to go through that tunnel. They have over 1 million cars going through the tunnel a day. So they're making $16 million minimum a day, every day. On the weekends, a little less. So you want to get that $12, you want to get that $16 every day. You want $16 from every single person that goes through your tunnel. Now I show you how to create the tunnel, and then I show you how to drive traffic by posting ads to get that $16 every day. What if you just get 100 people that give you $16 every day using my social media ads? $16 times 100, guys, come on, that's $1,600 a day. That's a lot of money. That's over $30,000 a month. How about I just show you how to get 10 people? How about just 10 people every day to give you $16? That's $160 a day. That's extra money, right? That's almost $4,000 a month. So if you want to learn how to become a master at driving traffic through the tunnel to collect your $16 from millions of people this year, why don't you comment below and say, James, I'm in. Contact me and give me your mobile number with country code, your email, or just say I'm in and I'll contact you. Send me your email. Or in the description below, I'll give you my direct number. You can send me an email, you can send me a WhatsApp and say, James, I'm in. Set me up. I want $16 from a million people every single day. I'll see you on the next video.